My name is Adita from aditalang.com, and today I'm going to share with you one of my favorite meditations to bring myself back to center. So here's the thing about meditation. Many people believe that, you have to tie yourself up in a knot and stare at a candle, and that's not necessarily what it is. It's all about taking your attention from everything that's happening in the day and around you and narrowing it down and focusing on one thing. So I have a client of mine who does that by beading. I like to do it with a coloring book or to connect the dots, or just sitting still and listening to my breath. So today I'm going to take you through a guided meditation, and hopefully what that'll do is when you really narrow down and focus on one thing, once you come back out into the world, you're going to feel refreshed, you're going to feel clear-headed, and a little bit more creative at the same time. It's just like a whole mind reset, and that's what really can inspire you to do so many more things in your day. So let's see how this goes. First, I'd like you to sit in a very comfortable position. Hopefully there's no noise around you. And you're going to lift your chest up high, pull your shoulders back and down, abdominals are tight, and I want you to just focus on the sound of your breath. You're going to slowly start to count as you inhale, trying to extend your breath as far as you can take it. And then do the same thing as you exhale. And for each series of breaths that you do, you want to try to beat your score. So really try to lengthen that breath as far as you can get away with. I'd like you to slowly, with your eyes closed, take your attention to an imaginary white light that's right between both eyes. So with your eyes closed, you're actually looking cross-eyed and staring at this white light as you continue to listen to the breath. And your focus may drift off a little bit. Just swiftly bring it right back to that white light. And with each breath, that white light is slowly going to start to expand and get bigger, like a big white balloon. And as it becomes big enough for you to see through it, you'll recognize that the sound of your breath is actually the sound of the ocean and the waves. You find yourself sitting in the sand, staring at the waves, watching how your inhale takes the wave in, and your exhale pushes the wave away. And as you start to take note of your surroundings, see how the sky just glistens in blue. It almost seems like it's glowing. And you can feel the heat of the sun slowly engulf your body. It feels really good. And you can feel the warmth in the sand as well. Here and there you feel the breeze pass by, giving you nice cool relief. And as you continue to be aware of your surroundings, you hear the seagulls fly by, and you can hear the rustling of palm leaves behind you. Slowly a cloud comes by, and as it shades the sun, the breeze feels cooler on your body. And slowly the sun comes back and starts to warm you back up. Slowly bring your attention back to watching the waves go in and out, right along with the breath. As you're staring at the water, you can see pebbles and sand and shells moving back and forth. You might even find a fish or two swimming by. Slowly take your awareness back to the sound of your breath. Taking one more look around. And slowly allowing that white light to close in with each breath you take. Until you reach that white top once again. And now slowly start to count through your inhale and count through your exhale, trying to extend the breath even further than before. And just bring your breath, all your awareness back to the sound of your breath. Feel how the inhale and exhale move throughout your body. Inhaling renewed energy. And exhaling all the stuff that kind of pulls you down. When you're ready, slowly open your eyes. And namaste. So I hope that brought you a little bit of mental clarity for the day. Feel refreshed. You can see things with a brighter light. And enjoy.